This is Loan Officer Blueprints, where we're talking about how you as a mortgage professional can take your career to the next level. I'm Azubuike with Edge Home Finance, and I believe the first step of doing that, taking your career to the next level, is becoming a broker with Edge Home Finance. And I've got an awesome guest with me today, none other than the account executive, key senior account executive with United Wholesale Mortgage, Christina Huron, my account executive, our account executive with United Wholesale Mortgage. Christina, thanks so much for taking some time out of your Saturday to hang with me today. Appreciate you.
Thank you so much for having me. Hi, everybody.
Yes, it's great having you. So we'll jump right in. I got a few questions for you. So we've been talking about how we can actually make sense of the broker world for a lot of folks out there, especially loan officers on the retail side. And so a lot of loan officers that have been doing retail for a long time don't really understand the dynamics of what it means to be a broker, how it works, having access to multiple lenders to work with. So you being the account executive for us, for the top wholesale lender in the country in United Wholesale Mortgage, I thought it'd be great to have you come on here and share. So first question for you is, what would you say is the role of an account executive for a loan officer?
So for us specifically, and I'm sure it's done differently on the retail side, but it's my job to be your caddy, right? It's our job to ensure that when you come on board immediately, that I'm going to get you into the website. I'm going to be your tour guide. We have hundreds of perks and tools, technology, things built into place to help you guys close your loans faster, cheaper, and easier. So it's my job to make sure that you guys understand the process, understand how to get your loans in and out in 15 to 20 days. That's the average. And I need to be available, right? Scenarios, underwriting questions, locks, setting up your files, being available on the nights and weekends, things that a lot of people that are coming over onto that side maybe are not used to, right? So we have an entire team. And it's not just me. If I don't have the answer, I need to be able to guide you, right? So you can directly speak with underwriters, directly speak with closers. Everybody in the building, about 9,500 people, are there to help you. So my job is to ensure you know what you're doing and to get your loan in and out quickly and to make it easier for you.
Awesome. And you playing that role, I know I can speak for myself, has been huge because, it's kind of eye-opening once you become a broker, right? All of a sudden, I tell people it's almost like the whole Matrix movie. You have the red pill and the blue pill. And once you take that different pill that's going to open up your world, it's almost like overwhelming. But having someone like you as the liaison for, being able to know, okay, here's what your guidelines are, here's what how you guys are doing things, a certain kind of loans you guys will take, because there's plenty of wholesale lenders that we're partnered with. But talk a little bit about what you guys actually like the loan process, as far as like communication with underwriters and how we can make our processors and underwriters work together, and kind of your workings within that.
Perfect. So I tell people, look, as long as your file comes in set up, I like to ensure that everything is done correctly on the front end. So when you hit underwriting, you have a smooth process, right? We're going to set up your file correctly. We're going to gather the necessary docs to ensure we're not going back to your borrower 10, 12 times in a transaction. Your file comes in, you're going to be in and out of underwriting, normally 2 days or less. Underwriter's going to call out on that file. I want you to talk to your underwriter, right? Go over the conditions, make sure that you understand everything. This way, when you reach out to your borrower and you're going to clear those next set of conditions, you should be in line for CTC. So within your file, I tell people, look, here's their name, their phone number, their email address. Here's their leader's information. We encourage you to call them, to email them. They work nights, they work weekends. They're extremely responsive. They're very intelligent. If there is an issue, we have tools built in place to rectify it very, very quickly. And then if you have issues along the way, you have myself, my team, senior leadership. So everything that we're designed to do is to give you guys open communication to ensure that you get your questions answered smoothly, efficiently, and you can just move on to the next.
I love it. Great stuff. All right, awesome. Last question for you, Christina, is from your vantage point, what would you say are the benefits of being a broker with Edge, specifically our team?
So over the last 6 years, I've worked with a ton of other broker shops. About 4 years ago, I decided to solely dedicate working with Edge Home Finance only. You guys are the third largest mortgage broker in America. You're growing steadily, hiring brilliant people on, right? So when I get to work directly with you guys, it's the team, it's the culture, the willingness to learn, having everybody know that they can reach out. So we believe in Edge Home Finance so much that our owner, Matt Ishbia, is building a team around Edge. So you guys are my only broker shop. I don't have anybody else that I'm splitting time with. I have 3 other gentlemen that I've hired to the team, onto the team to work with me. So you guys have 4 dedicated account executives that only work with Edge Home Finance. We are all hustlers. We want to work nights. We want to work weekends. We want to work when you work. I find that you guys at Edge are on average, most people with all of your 700-800 loans, you're closing your loans in about 14 days or less. That's because you guys communicate with your clients, you take care of your clients, you use the tools and technology, you make yourself available, and you listen to the coaching. So our only goal is to ensure that you guys are taken care of. It's been an honor, right? So you guys have the ability to go borrower paid, to go lender paid. There's a great team atmosphere within Edge, and it's a culture that I've never seen before. So that's why for me, I went all in, and I'm not interested in ever working with anybody again. You guys are amazing. Thank you.
I love it. I love it. Thanks so much, Christina. That's awesome. Well, I really appreciate your time today. Thank you so much for joining me. And I appreciate everybody tuning in. Definitely check out all the rest of the content on our channel. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care.
Thank you, Zoe. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.
All right. Thanks for watching. If you found any of the content helpful, please subscribe, hit the notifications icon so that you can be informed of the next video upload. And if you're a loan officer that's interested in joining Edge and you think it might be the right fit for you, please give me a call or text so that we can set up a demo. Hope to hear from you soon.